That's an important market voice as far as Sunil Singhania from Abacus goes. Ashmit is now joining in. He's, of course, been reporting on the going on in the court with regards to the market coupling case. Ashmit, take it away. What really came through today, and what did the court say? We know the next hearing is on the 9th, but what went on in the court, and what does it tell us about which way this is headed? I'm not asking you which way this will go, but what did you pick up?
Well, to begin with, important to clarify that the hearing is still underway. The APTEL hearing is still going on. And in the course of the hearing, we're given to understand that the issue that was raised last time on the issue of insider trading, on the issue of possible involvement of CERC officials in making money through the coupling order, that issue came up once again for consideration. The APTEL, which was in fact hearing this matter at the very outset, said that this is an issue that is of concern to them, that they saw a lot of theatrics at the time of passing of the coupling order, that they did not understand why there was such a dramatic regulation taking place, and that if there is in fact something foul, this will be something that the APTEL will be looking into. But that's one side of the story. The other side is, importantly, that the CERC councils who were also present, who were also a part of this hearing, importantly, gave an indication that the CERC had wanted for this process to be more fair, had wanted this process to be transparent, had wanted this process to be consultative. And having said that, the CERC lawyer submitting before APTEL that he will be seeking instructions from the Commission on whether there can be a withdrawal of the coupling order altogether. This is an important bit of clarification that the APTEL said that it would welcome. In fact, the APTEL said that if this hearing comes, if this clarity comes before the next hearing, if it comes by Friday, then this could very well lead to a closure of this entire matter altogether. That would also meet any concerns that the IEX, the Indian Energy Exchange, might have raised before APTEL. So that is something that more clarity is awaited on. Will the CERC Council raise this before the Commission? What will be the stance of the Commission? That is something that more clarity is awaited now. But clearly, the last word is yet to be had. The hearing, we understand, still continuing before the APTEL.
If I can just come in here, the issue, from what you heard the CERC, the IEX, the CERC Council say in the court, you know, the issue is that this order, IEX of course is saying that even without all this insider trading, etc., this is without, this should not be done. The order itself should be set aside. Leave that for a moment. What CERC is saying is their stance on whether they'll withdraw, not withdraw, etc., on the basis of this this entire insider trading thing, and so set this aside and pass a fresh order. Is that kind of what the thinking is, or it's like a revisit of the entire matter itself, that whether this needs to be done? Did you get any sense on that?
Well, at this point, the CERC, at least the lawyer appearing before the APTEL, the language used does not link it one way or the other to either the insider trading charges or whether there is a question of natural justice not having been followed, not enough consultation having been done. No reason being attributed as to why this submission is being made by the CERC Council. But nonetheless, the clarity that is coming from them, from at least the CERC Council, is that there is thinking within, at least within the legal team of CERC, that perhaps there should have been a more transparent consultative process. And with that, the submission being made before APTEL, that perhaps there may be a need required for withdrawing the order itself. But this, of course, is a lawyer appearing for the Commission. This is not what the Commission's final submission is. And of course, this is something that the lawyer will be looking to get clarity on from the Commission on what the road ahead as far as the coupling order is concerned.
Got that, because that is essentially the crux of it, right? I mean, even if they withdraw it, are they still, do they still want to do coupling, market coupling, and will that result in a fresh order without the shadow of all these other charges which have tainted the current order? That clarity, I think, as Ashmit said, the hearing is still underway. We'll leave you to it, Ashmit, and we'll track this one as we sort of, we'll keep coming back to you through the course of the evening to get more on this story. It's an important one. Stock, of course, ending strong, ending almost 10% higher. Went up almost 13% at one stage. 146, 147 is where we were at. Markets, by the way,